Hello everyone. Let's solve this right away. We have x plus x to the power of 3 equals 30. By looking at this, you'll be able to know what the value of x is, but that would be only 1. And this equation is expected to have 3 values of x because of the power of 3. So we're going to show the full workings if you stay put. Now we have x plus x to the power of 3 equals 27 plus 3. Why am I using 27 and 3? Because 27 can be in this form. Then 3 will be for this x. We can even rearrange it, right? To get x plus x to the power of 3 equals 3 plus 27. Now, this to this and this to this. X minus 3 plus x to the power of 3 minus 27 now equal to 0, because everything on the right has been moved to the left. Nothing is on the right. Okay, now there'll be need for us to work this very well, because this and this will be together, this and this will be together, so that x minus 3 will be here, then x squared, x to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3 will now be there, and everything is 0. So now, what is this? Difference of two cubes. And if a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is given, this is the same as a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Just like we have our popular difference of two squares. This one is difference of two cubes. Now, this x minus 3 is coming down, right? Then plus, for this now, we're going to write this a minus b becomes x minus 3 into x squared, because a is x now, then plus x times 2, that is going to be x, ab is going to be x times 3, so that will be 3x, then plus b squared is 3 squared, and it is 9. Now this is 0. So from here now, this and this, are the same. Therefore, they are common, or it is a common factor. X minus 3 is a common factor. Then we open the bracket. This is going to be left with 1, because this divided by this is 1, right? Then plus, this is already out. If you like, there is 1 there, but 1 times this, it will not change it, right? So I'm going to have this. Then we have x squared plus 3x plus 9, right? Then this is equal to 0. If you're still following, that means you are getting it, so you give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Let's open this bracket. So x minus 3 is still a common factor. Then from here, let's write these two first, then add 1 and 9. Write x squared plus 3x plus 1 plus 9, 10. Then we equate to 0. Now we are multiplying both of them to get 0. So it's okay if we say x minus 3 is 0. So our x is equal to 0 plus 3, and x is just 3. So if you were to get the answer from the onset, your x would have been this 3. The two more solutions won't have been known. Now let's get the two more solutions, right? And that will be from that quadratic expression here, which is x squared plus 3x plus 10. This is a quadratic expression, but now we are going to equate to 0, since either of them, either this or this, is 0. So now we are picking this to be 0, and we equate it to 0. Now we are going to use our quadratic general formula, and that is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac as we divide by 2 times a, that is 2a. Now our x from here is b now is going to be minus 3 there because b is 3, then plus or minus. We now have the square root of b squared, which is going to be 3 squared, then minus 4 times 1 times 10, and then we divide by 2 times 1. If we go ahead with this, our x will now be minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9, because 3 squared is 9, minus 4 times 1 times 10 is 40. And then we will now divide by 2 times 1. And 2 times 1 is 3. Is 2, by the way, is 2. So let us continue. Okay, so x will now be minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 40. That will give us 31. And this is over 2. So if we go ahead now, our x is going to be minus 3 plus square root of 31 over 2. 1 is positive, and the other is going to be minus 3 minus square root of 31 over 2. So it's either x is this or this. Mind you, you can press your calculator to get square root of 31. But me, I'm not interested in getting decimal value. So we'll stop here. Now, let's bring the 3 solutions we have got together. We got the first solution, x1, and that is x equals 3. We call that x1 because it's the first solution. Now, we have our x2. The second solution is this particular one, minus 3 plus root 31 divided by 2. Right? And then the third solution is x3, and it's from here. It is minus 3 minus 31, okay, root 31. Then we divide by 2. So these right here are the 3 solutions to the equation. But imagine that you try to guess the solution. You could have guessed this right, but these ones you will need to solve them before you can get it right, or before you can get them. Thank you for watching, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe so that you can get more of my videos. Thank you.